Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Rick.
My name's Amanda.
And today I'm going to show you how to make my green pancakes pork chop cuisine with toppings. Oh, you like my hair? This is how you get green hair, is with the green pancakes, guys. Now this is a meal for four. Get 2 8-ounce pork chops. And the topping's going to be, you have to have almond milk and potato flour and salt and pepper. And, oh yeah, the green pancakes. Oh, you gotta have those. Oh, you like my hair? That's all right. That's the only reason you're on here, just to look at my beautiful hair. I know. I already know that. But while you look at my beautiful hair, though, we can show you how to make the pancakes. Use 4 large eggs, 1/2 cup of almond flour, 4 ounces of cream cheese. Oh yeah, gotta have the green dye. It has to be for food though. And for the topping, strawberry with a little sauce in it. And of course, sugar-free syrup to go with it. So come on and follow me to the kitchen, guys. So everybody, I'm in the kitchen now. Duh. Oh, we're gonna put the oven at preheated at 400. We already did that. We're kind of like on top of it here today. So we take the pork chops, put them on the top shelf. That's all you do there. And then you put it on for 25 minutes, guys. There it is. In 25 minutes, we'll come back to that. Well, come on over here, you guys. Let's get started over here. Let's put in your cream cheese. Oh, you know what? Let's start this first, you guys. Let's heat up the pan that we're going to make the pancakes in and put some butter in it. Well, we'll say about 1 tablespoon. Put that in there. We'll put it on like medium. Let that do that thing over there. Oh, maybe a little less. Okay, now that we got the cream cheese in there, the 4 ounces, we'll go ahead and put in the goodies. That's a 1/2 cup. You already know what that is, you guys. I already told you guys earlier. Oh, what do you think about my hair, guys? You like this? Not bad, not bad. You have to eat the pancakes to get the hairdo like this, guys. 1, 2. Whoops! Can't make a mistake like that. See, you can't do that. 3. This is what guys do. We just do it like this. None of that professional really stuff. It all comes out the same either way. You gotta clean your hands. Now that we got all the goodies in there. Well, and then we go to the machine. You know, the dudes use machines. And then we're going to blend her up. Put her on go, guys. And just kind of go on until it smooths out. And cut it up a little bit more as we go. Then we'll put in some green dye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we'll go back to the machine. Oh yes, gotta have the machine. Until it's incorporated. It'll take about 5 minutes to do all that stuff, guys. Then we're going to come on over here. It's already preheated. We got all the butter going across it. Just equal it out. Keep the butter in there. Use about, I'm guessing about 1/3 of a scoop. Put it in the center. And we will be back in. Hey, hello everybody. We're back in here again. I got it all done. Check it out, guys. Look over here. This is what the green pancakes look like. Pretty cool, huh? Nice. And they cook really easy and really good, guys. And quick. Then we'll take on the strawberry sauces. And I'll give you a spoon. Spoon on the strawberries. Pour on the sauce. So nice. And then as much as you want of your sugar-free syrup. So here that is. And we're going to go ahead and leave that right here. We're going to come over here and make a sauce. We'll put this on medium. This is going to be our potato flour, almond milk with a little bit of butter to make the sauce. So go ahead and get yourself a little spoon. Take out about, I don't know, that looks like about 1 tablespoon. And we'll take a spatula, turn it up on high just long enough to melt this. Then we'll turn it down to about medium. What do you think about my hair, guys? All you have to do is eat these pancakes and your hair turns just like this and even starts sparkling too. It's kind of strange. But actually I kind of like it. Gotta have the sparkles. Oh yeah, where were we? Oh yeah, come back to the flour. Potato flour. A nice big old tablespoon of it. Put it all over this sucker. Keep it up on high now. So, yeah, well, go 1.5, guys. There we go. That'll work. Tastes like fried potato soup on top. Actually, it's fried potato sauce on top of your pork chops. Go ahead and take your whisk. Whisk it in. Want to make it into a paste, guys. Just make it to a paste. Add in about 1/4 cup of almond milk. You want it to sizzle a little bit. Mix it up. Take it off the flame. Keep mixing on it. And there you go. Voila, that easy. There you got the sauce. Now if you want to thin it out, get that a little more almond milk, like that. Make sure you turn your oven on so you don't catch your house on fire. No, I've never done that before. I know you guys are wondering if you've done that before. I hope not. It never happens to my kitchen or my house. See, that's about right. And that's how you do it. It's almost that easy on any kind of sauce you guys make. And if you like, you can add salt and pepper, any kind you like. And we are done with the pork chops, guys. So we're going to take the pork chops down. Oh, sideways. Get that, the big butcher knife. This is what those guys use, is monster one. Oh, look at that sizzle, you guys. Get the pork in. Cut it in half. Add the 4 ounces. on your plate. And there you guys go. We got some salt and pepper and stuff there. We'll be back in a moment, and I'll meet you in the dining room. Hello everybody, I'm back in the dining room. I know you guys just came to look at my hair, I know everybody, but you can't get hair like this if you don't eat green pancakes. Check it out. This is what it looks like. It makes 6 to 8 of them. I made some really large ones. Here's your pork chops with your sauce on it. Now this is enough for 4, and it is green pancakes and pork chop cuisines with your toppings. And you will get hair just like mine. Maybe a little longer if you eat more, but you gotta do more than just once. You guys have a good time? I had a good time. And thank you for coming back. And if you want to subscribe, just hit the subscribe button so you can see some more upcoming events of whatever we decide we're going to make for you guys so you can lose weight. 1, 2, 3. Peace out, guys. I knew you liked my hair.